friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing terrific. Today's video, kind of like an early midweek haul. We are back at Walgreens rolling that register reward. It worked. Rite Aid, a freebie on all that Jergens, and then a couple penny items over at the Dollar General. So kind of a busy little morning here. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. And subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel to save even more money over at Walgreens. On my husband's store card today, I wanted to grab more of these razors because 50 cents is where it's at, and I had the $3 digital on both. If you're not seeing the digital coupons, add both of these razors to a digital cart through the app and then see if they're coming off for you, because I know the coupons are hard to find, but these are them. The $3 off for the men and the $3 off for the lady, so that is $6 off. So I just grabbed again a $12 and a $10 razor for $22, subtracting the 2, 3, and then I had one of these from earlier in the week I got on Sunday, and I rolled it in the transaction to see if another one would print, and guess what? It did. So again, just to jog you through this deal, $22 subtracting $6 of manufacturers and that $5 P&G. I also threw in $10 in Walgreens cash. I paid $1 plus tax, and then I got back 10 for buying 2 of those razors, and then another $5 register reward printed for me. Again, this is a non-booster deal, but delighted that this worked. Now, alternatively, if you have no digital coupons, but you have one of those register rewards, like a $5 P&G one, grab 2 of those razors for $22, subtracting that $5 P&G register reward. Subtract $10 of Walgreens cash if you have it, then you're going to have to pay $7 out of pocket. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash for buying 2 of those razors plus a $5 register reward, the P&G one. It makes it $2 for the 2 or $1 each. This is a no booster deal, but yes, that register reward is in fact rolling, so you can use it from deal 1 to deal 2 if you're getting some detergent. I did it twice on these razors, so I'm delighted with that. And just to show you, yes, if you look at the first on the deck of coupons, that $5, boom, there it is. And then my $3 manufacturers, I used $10 in Walgreens cash. And then this guy printed, and if you think that, oh, she's making it up today, if you look at the expiry, it's January 2nd of 2024, so you know that I did this deal today. So it's really fantastic. So the next deal that's absolutely fantastic are these smaller Crest mouth rinses for $3 this week. We have this very generous 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have it loaded. So grabbing 2 of those mouth rinses, that's $6 on the nose. Subtracting this digital coupon, which is the 3 off 2, you're going to pay $3 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, making this free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But 2 free little mouthwashes, there's a lot you can do with that. You know, even gift it for Christmas, put it in a lovely basket, whatever. It's just really a great deal. I was so lucky to find 2 more $3-ish Shea Moisture hair care products. We have this digital coupon that showed up on Sunday, which is a 6 off of 2. So grabbing 2 of those hair masks, it's $6.98. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay 98 cents. Get that receipt and photograph it to fetch rewards, and I got another 3,000 points. So it made this free plus a $2.02 money maker. I mean, that is a fabulous, I love free stuff, and especially the Shea Moisture, which is probably going to be a discontinued hair mask, and I like this one. Here is my fetch rewards, 3,000 points. It just appears when you photograph it with this deal over at Walgreens. And if you have not signed up for this app, I have a link in the notes. And I think when you submit your first receipt, it could be on anything. You're given an extra 1,000 points. So for all the new shoppers out there, use the link for an extra 1,000 points. Now, I really love this deal. Whenever you can stock up on really cheap Dawn dish soap, make it so. So 2 of these this week is $2.48. And when you buy 2, you're going to get back $1 register reward. So basically makes it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per Dawn dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, like pay the 48 cents to get back your $1 register reward. And just to let you know, register rewards print once per transaction. So if you wanted to get like 4, only 1 register reward will print. So you have to do it in 2 separate transactions. Very popular shampoo with my subscribers is the L'Oreal Elvive. A lot of you think it's just a magic in a bottle. So we're going to load the following digitals that include this 4 off a 2, which is a manufacturer. And we also have an IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens store coupon. And yes, you can stack the 2. And this is a 3 off a 2. So make sure you have the 2 loaded. Grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos, it's $10.98. Subtracting IVC and the $4 digital manufacturer, you're going to pay $3.98 for the 2, basically $1.99 per bottle of magic. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I hate buying garbage bags, but the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, it's $4.99 for the first. Buy one, get 2 for free. So it's $1.66 for like 18 trash bags. It's a fabulous stock up price. Make it happen, guys. Now we're going to head over to the Dollar General. Lots of their fall line pennied out. Special shout out to Christie's Connection. She put out several videos on this. I could not find much around me. I think I went to 2 or 3 Dollar Generals and I only found 4 penny items. So for a lot of you, they're like, you find everything. This was not a very good hunting day, guys. I only got 4 cups, but these cups are really cute. They look very 1970s-ish. I thought they'd be nice to have around the house. But there you see 4 cents, and there is the barcode. I found them, somebody put them with the regular cups, but the fall displays that they had towards the front of the store, because it's been 90% for the longest time. Most of that stuff completely gone, or they brought it all to the back. But at 90%, a lot of people were buying like all the fall decor. I saw a lot of shoppers on the weekend when I was out doing a 5 off 25, just filling carts of like, the happy fall y'all and the table runners and all that stuff. But yeah, it's pretty trippy when you can find stuff. Now, a lot of what you're supposed to look for is stuffed merchandise with that little pumpkin saying, autumn something or other. You could see it on that foil pan. This did in penny, and I actually found a couple at one store, and I was all excited, and it rang up full price. So I was like, ugh. But, you try stuff, and sometimes you only find 4 pennies, and other times you find 200. So it is what it is. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and this is the deal of the week with the Jergens lotion. You're probably going to have to move on this deal like right away if you want to make it happen. They are $8.99 at my store, so I grabbed 5 of them. We have this, which is 10 back when you spend 40, and this is found in the flyer, and it's just like, hey, come to our store and buy this. These are once per store card as well. The promotion with the Jergens is to spend 20, get back 10 with a limit of 2. So I'm trying to get to $40. So I grabbed 5 of them. I went with the cherry almond and then the ultra healing. I didn't go too crazy with the scents, and depending where you are, I've seen some people pay like $10 for a bottle this size. They've really raised the price on lotion. I've noticed a couple years back, these were probably $7.99 at most pharmacies. But this is why it's so advantageous to grab this. IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each, so you're going to get back $10 with the IBOTTA app. They are not playing around. So 5 of those is $44.95. I got the cashier to scan my 10 back when you spend 40. I also had a home mailer that was 10 off of 40. So I paid $34.95. I basically rolled the bonus cash on my store card, and then I got back 30, 10 for spending 40, and then another 20 for buying $40 in Jergens lotion this week. IBOTTA also gave me back $10, so this made it free plus a $5.05 money maker. This is unreal to get this lotion at this price. Lotion's one of those products we really don't get it for free anymore. So when you can line it up this way, I know a lot of people are like, start the car, just stock up, because it's absolutely fantastic. Also, depending where you live, I think there was $1.50 in an insert, but I don't get inserts anymore, so I wouldn't know where to find that. But if you might have, that's even bigger savings for you. And that IBOTTA rebate, there's a timer on it. It's TikTok, so I would get out right away, even tonight, and make this deal happen. Rite Aid has also merchandised a lot of their toys. So if you have little ones and need toys, a lot of it is 75% off. I am absolutely shocked that they jumped this quickly. It's not even Christmas, but they're already there. I think it's just a sign of the times over there at that store. They're closing a lot of Rite Aids down, and I think they want to move all of their Christmas merchandise so they don't have to store it in a warehouse until next year. But if you are looking for ornaments or last minute toys, go to Rite Aid. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.